Hey guys, welcome back. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the banner color on Discord. Basically, you just need to go to your profile, click on edit profile, and scroll down to see the banner color. So this is the closest that I can get. So basically, it does seem a little identical. So let's see if it does work on when we save it. So there it makes your banner like invisible since it uh goes well with the color on the background here. But if you have a darker background, I suggest you type this code. So when you have a black or darker Discord color, I think this is the one for you. There, you just need to type in that, and it will automatically darken it. So if you have this kind of Discord color free, this the color way to go. And if you want to mess out with the colors so that it could match your Discord way better, you just need to go here and like customize it just like so. There, it's up to you. For me, I think black is better so that it matches this border right here. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.